Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Hermes purchase. Look, the paper bag is kind of small, but the item inside, I don't know, you have to guess it. I tell you, it is very difficult to guess what is in there. It comes in 2 boxes, and probably you can guess. The big hint is that the sales associate cannot fit this item into one single box, and therefore it has to be split into 2 boxes. Let me know how your sales associate do, packing or wrapping in such. So, right, maybe you can pause for a while and make a guess what is inside. You can write down in the comment section below. It is really difficult to guess, and also this is fine jewelry. That's another big hint. Make a guess in the comment section before I unbox. Alright, you done? Okay, let's unbox this together. So kind of interesting, it comes in 2 boxes, and that's how it's being wrapped. And I'm really excited to purchase this because I think it's really beautiful. Alright, the box is kind of hardy. It's not the typical Hermes box. And take a look at this. This box is solid. Okay, have you guessed what it is? Maybe let me open the other one. I got this in the store today. I thought it would look good. You see? Now I've got this. Okay. You guys ready? Let's unbox this together. Okay, here goes the first one. You have to lift it up like that. There you have it. What is this? Tell me. This is one side of something. And here is the other side of another thing. This is how it looks like. And now you know why there are two boxes, 2 packaging. What is this? Tell me. It is actually a pair of earrings. Take a look at this. It's kind of odd, right? Imagine having to pack your earrings in your pair of earring in 2 separate boxes. But I thought, okay, fine, let's do that. And I understand why. This is because if this earring is to be packed together, you probably have to poke through the hole here, and it will look like this, and they will clash on each other and probably rub against each other. So I guess that's why it's being packed this way. And the funny thing is, there is no official box to hold such earring, and this is about a 1.5 centimeter earring. That's the size, and if you include these 2, it'll probably be a total of 2.5 centimeter. Yeah, so there you go, my fine jewelry. This is made of rose gold, a very beautiful pair of earring, and I cannot wait to wear it tomorrow. Here's the back clasp. It's kind of easy. You just use your fingers to pinch the left and right. Just pinch it and you can simply pull it open. And I think this pair of earrings you can match any clothing, like your denim shirt, your white dresses, even like shirts. I think it's beautiful with shirts. Okay, because I think because of the shape of it, I think if you are a girl who loves hoop earrings, you will love this. I think this is a great substitute to hoop earrings. I mean, it'll be boring, right, if every day you wear hoop earrings, but this will be a great substitute for that. And when you wear it, for me, I will poke it into my second ear hole, which is the ear hole that is further away from my face. Because if you notice, this pin is kind of long. If you poke it into your first ear hole, which is the one closer to your face, this portion will probably keep touching your face. So that's the disadvantage of that. You would probably need a second ear hole that is further away from your face to carry this off. Yeah, and thank God I have that. And I can easily fit this earring to my face. Yeah, I love it. And if you notice the proportion of how this earring is done, if you see, it is not exactly a balance, you know, this is not in the middle. If you notice, this is not in the middle, this is not in the middle. This probably takes up, you know, this is wider, this is smaller. Did you notice that? This is wider and this is smaller. I don't know why it's done this way, but I think it has got to do with the engraving or the hot stamping over here. There's some wordings here which is so small that I can't even read it. I think it's probably the material. There's stamping here, there's stamping here, and there is another stamping over here in this corner. Same for this, stamping here, here, and here. And I guess that's why it can't be centralized. Funny, isn't it? So anyway, a unique earring, a very unique packaging indeed. And you know, take it in a good way. I've got 2 boxes now. I've got 2 boxes. Yeah. And kind of a solid box. Yeah. So well, there you go again. If you like this kind of design, probably can drop by the store. It's made of rose gold, so it is definitely great for sensitive ears. It is indeed an Hermes fine jewelry. So another addition to my collection. If you want to see more of my unboxing of fine jewelries and diamonds from Hermes, please go to my video. You can scroll down the history. I've got plenty of unboxing videos that I've done there, and to date I'm still wearing them and I love them. So there you have it. That's the end of my video. If you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my video and click on the notification button for more videos to come. There you have it. A close-up look of my earrings. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I was offered something. It's a really a very nano size bag. They call it the mini and it's 18 centimeter. I'm not sure if I should get it because it is considered kind of seasonal and hard to get. I'm still thinking about it, you know. Yeah. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.